So I went to the store and I saw this product. It's a Batmobile remote controlled 1/10 scale. Thought it was pretty cool. So basically what it does is you download an app, then you control it from your phone. It works off Wi-Fi. It has a camera, records 720p. What is that? Authentic sounds, realistic lights, 5.5 miles per hour speed, range up to 65 feet, and it works off a rechargeable battery. It also has this little gun here that moves around, fog machine that gives off a realistic looking exhaust pipe, and hydraulic performance. So just a bunch of cool stuff. I really wanted to get it, to test it out, see how it is. So I'll go ahead and unpackage it for you and show you guys what's inside. Oh, wow. That is pretty cool. A little disappointed it's not black, because in the picture it shows it to be black. But either way, it's still pretty cool. Alright. Yeah, so it comes with Batman right here. That's so funny. He even has a cape. I'm guessing this is one of the guns. Another one of the guns. And third gun. And a fourth gun. Then we have our battery, our charger, which is supposed to be a quick charger. What is this? Oh, this is the smoke illusion. And we also have, not quite sure what that is, some sort of wings. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this on charge right now really quick. And after that, I'll take off these annoying little tabs, charge the battery up, and fire up the Batmobile. And we'll get to experience what it's all about together.